Hello and welcome to Speak English with me, Practice with me. I'm Trevor, and I am here to help you practice speaking English. This is a speaking-focused podcast, which means you will listen, repeat, and speak along with me. In today's session, we will warm up with simple sentences, practice a real-life conversation, answer fun speaking questions, listen and repeat a short story, play a pronunciation game, learn a new tongue twister. Speaking English takes practice and confidence. Don't be shy. Speak loudly and clearly. If you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes help you learn. So, are you ready? Let's start. Let's begin with some easy sentences. I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Try to copy my pronunciation and intonation. Let's go. Sentence 1. Hello. How are you today? Sentence 2. I feel happy and excited to learn English. Sentence 3. Every day, my English is getting better. Sentence 4. Speaking English helps me talk to new people. Sentence 5. I am confident when I speak English. Great job. Keep going. Now, let's practice with different emotions. Say this sentence with happiness. I love speaking English. Say this sentence with surprise. Wow, English is so interesting. Say this sentence with confidence. I can speak English clearly and fluently. Well done. Practicing with emotions helps you sound more natural. Now, let's practice a short conversation. I will say a line, and you repeat after me. Then, I will ask a question, and you can answer in your own words. Conversation practice. Hello. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? That's a wonderful place. What do you like about your city? Oh, that sounds great. What do you do in your free time? That's interesting. What is your favorite English word? Good choice. Keep practicing and you will speak fluently. Fantastic. You are speaking English. Keep going. Now, I will ask some fun questions, and I want you to answer in full sentences. Tips for answering. Don't just say yes or no. Try to explain your answer. Speak slowly and clearly. It's okay to make mistakes. Let's go. Question 1. What is your favorite hobby? Question 2. What did you do yesterday? Question 3. What is your dream job? Question 4. If you could visit any country, where would you go? Question 5. Why do you want to learn English? Awesome. You are improving your speaking skills. Keep practicing. Now, let's practice speaking with a short story. I will say one sentence, and you repeat after me. Story. The Lost Puppy. One day, a little boy named Sam found a puppy in the park. The puppy was small, white, and very playful. Sam looked around, but he could not find the owner. decided to take the puppy home and take care of it. The next morning, Sam saw a poster with a picture of the puppy. It said, "Lost puppy, please call me." Sam called the number and met the owner at the park. The owner was very happy and thanked Sam for his kindness. Sam felt happy too because he did a good thing. Well done! You just practiced speaking with a real story. Let's practice pronunciation with similar sounding words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Bit, beat. Ship, sheep. Hat, hot. Full, fool. Great job! Pronunciation is important for clear English. Let's end with a fun tongue twister. Try to say this slowly, then faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now, say it faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. You did it! Tongue twisters help you speak faster and clearer. Conclusion: keep practicing. Congratulations! Today, you practiced simple sentences, a real-life conversation, a speaking challenge, a short story, pronunciation practice, a fun tongue twister. Remember, practice every day and your English will improve. Thank you for speaking English with me today. Come back for the next episode for more fun practice. See you soon. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that others can also practice and learn English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next session. Happy learning!